Are you experiencing an error where your iPhone shows no service for cellular or mobile? It may be caused by network settings, carrier issues, or device configurations. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to help you resolve the no service error for a SIM card and restore your iPhone's connectivity. Solution 1. Restart your mobile network. Open Settings on your iPhone, toggle airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle it off. This will refresh your network connection. Solution 2. Reinsert SIM card. Removing and reinserting your SIM card can resolve network issues. Power off your iPhone. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it. Power your iPhone back on and check for 5G connectivity. Solution 3. Check for carrier settings update. Updating your carrier settings can resolve connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on General, tap on About. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to update your carrier settings. If there is nothing, go back, tap Software Update. If you find new updates here, then update your iPhone with the current software version. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can fix connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no service error and restore cellular connectivity on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.